Good morning, sir. Myself Parshuram, HM Mechanical Department. I am here to I am giving in present seminar presentation on electric cars. Why electric cars are used? Electric cars create less pollution, most suitable option for hybrid vehicles, most suitable to be used with fuel cells. What is an electric car? An electric car is a car powered by an electric motor. From the outside, looks nearly same. It's silent. What is an inside an electric car? Under the hood, there are a lot of difference between gasoline and electric cars. The gasoline engine is replaced by an electric motor. The electric motor is connected to a controller. The controller gets its power from an array of rechargeable batteries. The motor's controller. A DC controller can change the voltage available to the motor from 0 to 96 volts depending upon the accelerator position. Electric car motors. If the motor is a DC motor, then it many run on anything from 96 to 192 volts. Many of the DC motors used in electric cars come from the electric forklift industry. It is an AC motor, then it probably is a three-phase AC motor running at 240 volts AC with a 300 volt battery pack. DC motor. DC installations tend to be simpler and less expensive. A typical motor will be in the 20,000 watt to 30,000 watt range. A typical controller will be in the 40,000 watt to 60,000 watt range. Batteries problems. Right now, the weak link in any electric car is the batteries. Problems with current lead acid battery technology. They are heavy, they are bulky. Then solution to battery problems. You can replace lead acid batteries. The range of the car will double and the batteries will last 10 years. But the cost of the batteries today is to 10 to 15 times greater than the lead acid. Charging of electric cars. In this car, the charge is built into the controller. In most electric cars, the charger is a separator box located under the hood or could even be a freestanding unit that is a separate from the car. A charging station mounted to the wall of the house. Coupling alternatives for chargers. Conductive coupling, which uses the common plug. With this connection, the vehicle is plugged into the appropriate outlet. To begin charging, charger can be placed in the car or out of the car. The secondary type of coupling is called inductive coupling. Power is transferred by an induction, which is a magnetic coupling between the windings of two separate coils, one in the pedal, the other mounted in the vehicle. Electric car Indian experience. Mahindra Reva. Reva is a pioneer of EV technologies and one of the first companies to introduce electric vehicles worldwide. Founded in 1994, are Reva Electric Car Company, a joint venture between the Mini Group of Bengaluru and Eva LLC of USA. The company was acquired in May 2010 by Mahindra Group of India. Tata electric car. Thank you.